2024 Nissan Pathfinder. I'll show you how to open the remote up to replace the battery if you need to. Go ahead and flip the remote over. There's a sliding button right here. We're going to slide it to the right with our fingernail, hold it down, and then I'll remove the emergency key. We'll unlock it. Now, with the emergency key out of the way, we're going to split the remote open using a small flathead screwdriver. I'm going to put it into this corner right here, like this, sideways, like that. This will prevent any damage to the bottom of the remote. Just give it a little bit of a prying motion, okay? You can go through here, and I'm just using the most flattest side, the biggest area to just go ahead and open this guy up, because you don't want to do anything like this, because you'll just damage everything. You kind of want to go as wide as you can, like that. Once you get it loose, it should all just open right up. Have the buttons down, okay, and that'll prevent anything from falling out. The battery's actually located on the back half of the remote, okay? Use your screwdriver, pop it out real quick, get your new battery, and I'll show you what the size of the battery is. Battery size is going to be a CR2032 battery. There's a positive sign right here where the writing is. It's going to be facing down in the remote. We're going to put it down on these contacts first. We'll slide it on the side of the contacts and lock it in like that. If you need a battery, check the description box below. There'll be a link to Amazon where you can get the correct battery there. They're really cheap there, so check that out. You just get the two halves, put them together. I like to start with the top first. I'll work my way down. Just click it all back, and then get your emergency key, slide it in there, lock it in. You're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me or leave me a comment. That's what keeps these videos up and running.